Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to back up and migrate your Outlook data using PST files. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and data into the interface. Make sure everything has fully loaded before proceeding, as you want to ensure your backup captures all your current information. Once your email has loaded completely, navigate to the File menu. You'll find this tab located on the top part of your screen where your tools and menus are positioned. Go ahead and click on the File tab to open the menu. After the File menu opens, look for the option labeled Open and Export. Click on it and you'll see the menu expand with additional choices. From this expanded menu, click on the Import/Export option. This will launch the Import and Export wizard window, which is your gateway to creating backup files of your Outlook data. In the wizard window that appears, you'll see several options listed. Look for the one that says Export to a file and click on it to select it. This option is specifically designed for creating backup copies of your data. Once you've selected it, click the Next button at the bottom of the window to move forward. Now you'll be prompted to choose a file type for your backup data. From the list presented, select Outlook Data File, which creates a PST file containing all your emails, contacts, calendar entries, and other Outlook information. After selecting this option, click Next to continue. On the next screen, you'll need to select which account you wish to backup. If you have multiple email accounts configured in Outlook, make sure you choose the correct one. Select the entire account to ensure everything is included in your backup, then click Next to proceed. Now comes the important part where you'll specify where to save your backup file. Click on the Browse button to open a File Explorer window. This allows you to navigate through your computer's folders and select the exact location where you want to store your backup file. You can also change the file name of your backup at this point if you'd like something more descriptive than the default name. Once you've chosen your location and finalized the file name, click OK to confirm your selection. After clicking OK, you'll return to the wizard window. Now simply click on the Finish button to begin the backup process. Outlook will start creating your PST file, which may take a few minutes depending on how much data you have. The great thing about PST files is that they're completely portable, so once the backup is complete, you can copy this file to a USB drive, cloud storage, or any other location. When you need to migrate your Outlook data to a new computer, all you have to do is open this PST file in Outlook on that new machine, and all your emails, contacts, and calendar items will be right there. And that's how you successfully back up and migrate your Outlook data. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.